In this video, we will walk through how to order materials and shop supplies, items like raw material for stock, safety glasses, or earplugs. All of these items should be managed under your PPN inventory customer. By keeping them there and creating purchase orders through FloorVisio, you gain full visibility, such as tracking when items are received, where they are stored, and the ability to manage minimum and maximum stock levels. To get started, first check if the item already exists in your system. Click on Inventory, and then select Search Purchase Parts. In this example, we are ordering earplugs. Type earplugs into the search field. Ensure the filter is set to PPN inventory. And then click on the search button. Here we can see earplugs already exist in the system under PPN number 22. If the item does not exist, you'll need to create it first. Refer to the video PPN 01, adding a PPN number to FloorVisio for step-by-step instructions. Once the item is found, click on it to open the part record. Next, navigate to the Engineering Master. You will notice the Engineering Master is currently blank. To quickly configure this as a direct purchased item, scroll down and click the Direct Purchase button. This automatically creates the Engineering Master. You will see a confirmation message once it is complete. Now when you review the Engineering Master, you will see the first process is receive material, with the purchase requirement tied to PPN 22 for foam earplugs. Now let's place the order. Click on the Orders button at the top of the screen. Then select Add Order. Since this is an internal shop supply, click the Restock button. This will automatically set the PO type to stock. Next, enter the PO line and quantity. For internal use items, many companies choose to enter a price of 0. This depends on your company's internal policy. In this example, we'll enter a quantity of 50 and a price of 0. The due date will automatically default to 2 weeks from today, but you can adjust if needed. Once everything is entered, you will click on Save Order. This action places the item into your purchasing requirements queue. To view it, we can click on Orders. Hover over Order Requirements and select View Requirements. At the top of the list, you'll now see the requirement for 50 earplugs. The next time your purchasing team processes your requirements, these earplugs will be included in the ordering.